Hey everyone, Zane here, and today we'll show you how to set up recurring investments on Fidelity. First, you'll have to open the application, then click on the transfer button on the bottom middle side. And now here you can see multiple options. Simply click on automate in the middle, then go and click on recurring investment. Then you will have to choose the security type. You can click on this option. Then here you have three types: mutual funds, stocks, and ETFs, Fidelity basket portfolios. So simply I will go for the second option. Then here you can add the account. I've just blurred it because this is my own personal account. Now go and click on add simple, then add this simple, for example. Click on this plus sign, then click on done. And now we have it added. Go and select the frequency. But before the frequency, I will select the amount. So let's say that I want $5. So here I will type 5, then click on done. And now you'll have to add the frequency. Simply click on select frequency. You have here multiple options: weekly, every 2 weeks, or monthly. I'll go for weekly. And now we will have to choose the day that you are going to make this recurring investments. So simply, it will show you here the days. You have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. The other 2 days are, of course, a vacation. So simply, I'll go for Monday. Now you can enter the start date, end date, and if you want to use a linked bank account, simply toggle this on and you're all done. Click on preview, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, please support us with like, subscribe to the channel, leave us a good comment, and share this video with your friends. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.